you will see that there was a moment when Moses sees the burning bush. That burning bush was a speaking bush. God speaks through that bush. So you're looking at a man that hears the heart of God, even without a loud voice. He sees a sign of God, and he's able to respond to the voice of God that is inside of him, saying, I must take a closer look at this bush. Are you able to look at a sign from God and hear the voice of God?